Hey fellas, welcome back. So today, our topic is best cheap smartwatches. So without further ado, let's begin. Also, all the links are produced down in the description box below. Do check. Fitbit Versa 2. The original Versa 2 was one of the most comfortable smartwatches you could wear, and the Versa 2 is just as pleasant on the wrist. It's not too large, not too small, and should be fine on a wide variety of wrist sizes. It's also very lightweight, and the tapered design hides the bulk of the watch well. The Versa 2 is one of the few wearables that I've been able to comfortably wear 24/7, even while sleeping. The general design of the Versa 2 is the same as before, but Fitbit has simplified the interactions down from the previous multi-button setup to a single button on the left and the touchscreen. However, you can still do all the same things with the Versa 2 as could be done with the first Versa. I do wish Fitbit had made it easier to change straps on this model. The Versa straps have quick release pins, but the mount is so recessed into the watch's body that getting the pins to click into place is very difficult, especially with the rubber strap that's included in the box. My review kit included a very comfortable perforated leather strap that was much easier to install, but that will cost you $50 extra. Amazfit Bip 3. This superior massage gun features ultra-long work time and can operate for 4 to 10 hours, depending on how you use it. It needs to be charged for 6 hours initially, and then 4 hours after that to get the rechargeable battery to 100% for cordless use. It features 10 adjustable speeds, and the 24-watt high-torque motor produces 1,400 to 3,200 strokes per minute. It can reach tissue as deep as 12 millimeters to increase blood flow for effective trigger point therapy and deep tissue release. It's extremely user-friendly. The digital screen displays two numbers. The left side reflects the level of intensity, and the right side displays the battery level. It comes with 6 specialty massage heads. These interchangeable heads come in different shapes to target specific muscle groups for faster recovery and relief. This gun operates quietly and is outfitted with a rubber handle for a no-slip grip. It's portable, lightweight, and comes with a nifty PU travel case to keep all the parts pristinely organized in their designated compartments. Take note that this massage gun is powerful and may be too intense for some, even when operating at level 1. When you start to use this tool, start at the lowest level and work your way up. It also has a 15-minute auto shutoff feature to protect the motor from overheating. The manufacturer recommends no longer than 1 hour of continuous use at a time, and to give it a 30-minute rest in between hour-long sessions. TicWatch GTH. This isn't the first smartwatch to hit the market with claims of being an advanced health smartwatch. While it does provide some great sensors that offer helpful insight, it's lacking in other areas. With that said, the TicWatch GTH is still one of the cheapest wearables on the market. It's more than a fitness tracker, but not quite a smartwatch. If you're content with landing somewhere in the middle, you might appreciate what it has to offer. Perhaps one of the most impressive things about the TicWatch GTH is the 10-day battery life. As always, this number can vary depending on your usage. The watch can read a full charge after approximately 2 hours of charging. I relied on it for notifications and used it to track a workout almost every day and needed to charge it after a solid 6 days of use, which is still pretty impressive. The TicWatch GTH's user interface is pretty straightforward and intuitive. You can use the side button to launch the main menu for accessing Mobvoi apps. The button can also be used to go back to the previous menu and power down the watch. When you swipe left from the watch face, you'll see your choices, steps and miles for the day so far. Keep swiping and you can view your sleep stats, activity profiles, health stats, heart rate, and weather. Realme Watch S. Realme's 2021 master plan includes launching over 100 products in India and increasing its foothold in the connected devices market. Invariably, wearables will be a big part of this future. While there will be a few more launches in this space later in the year, for now it's the Realme Watch S, which takes care of the brand's presence in the growing budget fitness tracker and smartwatch segment. Being Realme's second stab at affordable wearables, it brings several meaningful improvements on both hardware and software fronts that make it a much easier smartwatch to recommend. The clunky square casing is gone in favor of a larger circular aluminum case that now hosts a 1.3-inch LCD display with a ramp up in resolution. With the choice of opting for an LCD panel, it loses always-on display functionality, but is able to get a lot brighter. As with others in this segment, it lacks the ability to respond to notifications, only allowing you to view and dismiss them. Apart from that, it offers the options to control media playback, trigger the camera shutter, and track health and workouts. If you're happy with the basics, then the Realme Watch S delivers them without any major issues. Xiaomi Watch 2 Lite. The Redmi Watch 2 Lite has a pretty nice and comfortable design. It has a rectangular screen with decently thin bezels for the price. There's no branding on the bezel, which gives the watch a clean look. It's built really well, similar to most Xiaomi products. Even though the case is made using plastic, it doesn't feel cheap. The case is dense, unlike most other cheap smartwatches, and features soft touch plastic. I could wear it comfortably all day long and even during the night. It didn't bother me at all in terms of comfort. Thanks to its water-resistant design, you can wear it in the rain, shower, pool, or on the beach. It is water-resistant up to 5 ATM, which means you can even wear it to track your swimming performance. I have no complaints about its design or build quality, but it doesn't support standard watch straps, and you'll have to buy them only from Xiaomi. The 1.5-inch LCD display on the Redmi Watch 2 Lite is among its biggest advantages. The display quality is really nice. Everything on the screen looks nice and sharp, thanks to its 320 by 360 pixels resolution. The colors look good and the viewing angles are wide, even under direct sunlight. Content on the Redmi Watch 2 Lite screen is visible. The watch lacks an ambient light sensor, which means you have to adjust the screen brightness manually. One area where I was not impressed by the watch's display is the wake-up time. It takes 1 to 2 seconds to wake up once the hand is raised. The Redmi Watch 2 Lite lacks the tap-to-wake feature. The problem occurs even when the side button is used to activate the screen. So it's not an issue with the sensor, but either the watch's software or processor is slow to react. Since most users would check the watch dozens of times over the whole day, the issue can irritate them. Moto Watch. Now the first fruits of that partnership is here in the Moto Watch 100. Head on over to the official Moto Watch website, and potential US and Canada customers will find the Moto Watch 100 available to pre-order for $99.99. It should ship by December 10th. That price tag is quite remarkable from the brand that brought us the Moto 360 line of premium Android-powered wearables. Of course, the last of those Moto 360 smartwatches wasn't made by Motorola at all. But you guessed it, Canadian company eBuy Now. It seems this team-up has different plans for the latest lineup. The Moto Watch 100's most notable trait, other than its price tag, is the lack of Wear OS. Instead, it runs on a home-brewed Moto Watch OS. Other than that, you get a 1.3-inch 360 by 360 LCD display, which is quite a low-cost component, though there is an always-on display facility. This screen is wrapped up in a 42mm aluminum case, which comes in either glacial silver or phantom black. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's all meet with a fresh video in the next episode.